This is home for the night.
That is the craziest thing I've seen. Morning everyone and welcome back to another video. So you catch us on a winter adventure around Scotland. We've been doing a few days now where we've been wild camping and we found some amazing things. You'll love it. So we're currently at Crag Magada. I'm probably going to have said that wrong. I'm probably going to get a lot of comments, but never mind. So why don't you, while you're here, hit that subscribe button because I know you want to. So today we are off to the Highlands. So we're currently just taking Thor for a walk, but when we get back to the van it's breakfast and then we're off to the Highlands. So why don't you come along with us?
This is home for the night. Yes!
That is the craziest thing I've seen. To see a whole lock with no movement on it because it's completely frozen is just crazy.
Right, it's bid time. I tell you what, the temperatures outside are freezing. It's like everything is frozen outside. Like as soon as you step outside, it's just like when you're breathing, because I've just took Thor for a quick walk, when you breathe,
well, it's been,
you can feel like
during the day when the sun was out, it was -2. So it's going to be in the, definitely in the minuses tonight.
So what we've done is, don't you can see, with Thor modelling it over there, we've put like a, we've got like a thermal blanket, you know, that we put across there just
and
to...
it actually makes a huge difference. It makes a big difference.
Huge difference. Right, what are we having, Brooke?
We're having mozzarella dippers because we've got a slight obsession with them at the minute.
Yeah.
And then we're having steak lawn and barbecue rice.
Right, so let's do this. You might have noticed that we do a lot of cooking on Ridge Monkey pans. The thing is, you can cook almost anything on these pans, and as you've seen on this trip, we've only used them. If you are interested in things like this, check out our official Amazon store. It's in the pinned comment below. Click on there and you can get all the items that we use on there. As you can see, it's a wet one today. We've had to move from where it was parked over there because when we got there the ground was frozen, but this morning, because it's been raining and it's not as cold this morning, it's really muddy and everything, so we've had to bring Thor to like a different place to take a walk, otherwise we would have been stuck in the mud and everything. So, but what a view. So guys, I don't know what we're actually doing today. The weather's changed a little bit, it's wet now, like I said, it's still cold, but we don't know what we're doing. So what you're gonna have to do, you're gonna have to wait till the next video to see what we get up to on our Scotland trip. So hit the subscribe button, hit that like button. Till the next one guys, thanks for watching, bye for now.
A lot of you guys have been asking a lot of questions. You can easily tell if you can't camp there.
We're here at Volkswagen. Had we have not come to a main dealer to get like the first service done, we wouldn't have found this vital piece of information out being recalled because it needs a software update. That is so amazing that they actually film the work that they're doing so they can show the customer. That's amazing. So the first thing that I'll say is obviously how quiet it is. So I've just done some like town driving. I'm going on the motorway now just to see how it feels. When you've got a vehicle, going to the main dealers are only there to rip you off and things. I got told as soon as we came in that there was a recall needed. If we'd have gone to some backstreet garage or something, they would never have known that. And I've said it before, you know, this potentially could have caused a lot of problems. So come on Brooke, what still made the top 5